Well, it's taken me a little bit. The wires that I have up here, I brought them up this right here inside this channel, and I had to extend them probably 2.5 feet, the wires. But my test run at this point is if I turn the key to the power position like it was in the run position, like the engine's running, you can see stereo works. And then if I'm gonna run this guy just sitting at a car show in the accessory position, you have power. And then if I kill it, just shutting the key off, it goes to sleep like it should. So I think that turned out pretty good. Turn it back to the run, and booyah. So technically the radio's done. I gotta go into town and get some speaker wire and stuff, but ouch. That gonna work so far. Anyways, later.